Top chef, Chris Taylor. Let's go take a look at the steaks. You want to give us a preview of the steaks? Are they in the oven?
Yeah. That's where I go.
Where are they? Oh, let's see. We got some New York strip here, seasoned, marinated to perfection.
That's where I go. I want fresh garlic over top.
Yeah.
More of a sauce when you dip in, can soothe that.
Can you explain to me what the stuffing for the mushrooms is? We got some Bella mushrooms right here.
Granola, sun-dried cherries. We got some turkey sausage, some Monterey Jack cheese in there. Then we can do some.
What are you doing?
Which one? It's a stuffing for the mushroom.
You're getting bananas.
And then we got some sea scallops.
Are you recording now?
Scallops.
Ew, are those onions?
This is retarded RF.
Disgusting!
I was gonna interview you. What do you think about Chris's food? You have been an eyewitness.
Those 3 items we eat.
Wow. How beautiful is
What he said? Is it mediocre?
It's medium good. And what's your opinion?
I don't have one. Neither one of them.
You gonna open those just like that?
Yep. All right. We'll be back with an end result.
That's